Keling Medical Devices Company, Limited is a medical device professional R&D and production enterprise with over 25 years of brand reputation. Turn on the shadowless lamp. Adjust the brightness of the shadowless lamp. Adjust the color temperature. Turn on the green light mode. Open the R9 mode. Open the minimally invasive mode. Close the minimally invasive mode. Close the R9 mode. Turn off the green light mode. Turn off the shadowless lamp. Press the electric focus button to adjust the spot diameter electrically. Press the button on the top of the focusing handle and pull out the focusing handle. After adjusting the angle, push the focusing handle into the handle base, and hear a click sound to complete the installation. Pull the handle at the control panel to adjust the position of the lamp head, release it to fix the position. Pull the handles on both sides of the lamp head to adjust the angle of the lamp head, release it to fix the position. Adjust the angle of the lamp head.